Hello everyone. Today our topic is a poem. The name of the poem is The Silent Snake. Let's read the poem. The birds go fluttering in the air. The rabbits run and skip. Brown squirrels race along the bough. The mayflies rise and dip. But while these creatures play and leap, the silent snake goes creepy creep. The birdies sing and whistle loud. The busy insects hum. The squirrels chat. The frogs say croak. But the snake is always dumb. With not a sound through grasses deep, the silent snake goes creepy creep. Anonymous. That means we do not know who is the poet of this poem. Let's discuss the poem. The birds go fluttering in the air. At the beginning of the poem, we can see that the birds are flying in the air. Next line, the rabbits run and skip. That means the rabbits are jumping here and there. Brown squirrels race along the bough. There are some squirrels which are running through the branches of the trees. The mayflies rise and dip. Mayflies are some winged insects which live close to the water. These mayflies are flying up and down. Next, but while these creatures play and leap, the silent snake goes creepy creep. But when all the creatures are playing, the snake is silently moving through the grasses. Let's come to the next stanza. The birdies sing and whistle loud. All the birds are singing and chirping, having so much fun. The busy insects hum. The insects are humming and they are very busy as they are roaming around the flowers. The squirrels chat. The squirrels are gossiping, talking to each other. The frogs say croak. The frogs are making croak croak sound. But the snake is always dumb. Here dumb means quiet. The snake is very quiet. With not a sound through grasses deep, the silent snake goes creepy creep. That means the snake is still very quiet and only is moving through the grasses silently. In this poem, we can see that the poet is talking about the other animals, creatures who are very busy and who are having so much fun. But there is only a snake. The snake is always silent.